episode of Cooking with Milo. In this episode, Milo and I will be showing you how to make these delicious peanut butter pumpkin dog treats. For these delicious treats, you're going to need just 4 simple ingredients, and you can find those in the description down below. For the first step, you're going to be taking your oatmeal and putting it... What are you doing? Can you tell them what to do? So for your first step, you're going to be taking your oatmeal and you're going to be grinding it into a fine powder. You can do this either using a blender or a food processor. Once you have your oatmeal all ground out, you're going to add your eggs, your peanut butter, and your pumpkin puree, and you're going to mix it all until it's well combined. Alright guys, once you have your mixture all good and mixed, you're going to take a little bit of your oat flour and you're going to sprinkle it on a clean surface. You're going to dump your mixture out on the table and you're going to knead it for just about 5 minutes and make sure it's all mixed together. For our recipe, we're going to be using the large cookie cutter and the small cookie cutter, because I have 1 large dog and 3 little ones. So for every large bone, I'm going to do 3 smaller bones so they all have an equal amount of treats. Alright guys, once you have your cookies all cut out, you're going to place them on a greased cookie sheet. Not to worry too much about spacing as long as they're not touching. You're going to place it in a preheated oven to about 350 degrees and you'll leave them in there for about 20 to 30 minutes. Alright guys, once your cookies are done, you're going to want to pull them out of the oven, put them on a wire rack to cool down. You want them to cool down completely before trying to store them or before feeding them to your dog. There you have it, finished peanut butter pumpkin dog treats. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and show your support. If you'd like to see more, hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified every time me and Milo upload a new video. From both of us here on Cooking with Milo, we hope you have a safe and wonderful spooky October. Happy tales.